Guys, I'm here in, I don't even know, Taekwondo, of course. Nicole's here,
Clearwater?
Brandon's here.
Clearwater.
We're gonna go to
It's
the
down
beach
by the
tomorrow
West Coast.
and have an amazing time and bury each other in the sand. So if you don't see me making a couple
Clearwater,
videos,
Canada.
it's because Nicole killed me. I'm just kidding.
We're gonna go to Clearwater,
Canada.
Yeah, never mind, we're going to Clearwater.
Clearwater Beach. No, it's Clearwater Beach, Florida.
Yes, Nikki.
So you're gonna see more videos at the beach. All right, bye guys. Guys, we're about to go to St. Pete. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
We are so freaking excited that it's just not even funny. We're like talking about California and all this awesome stuff ahead. But more videos ahead. The awesomeness. I'm gonna be way redder than I am now.
No, I'll be redder than you will. We're gonna have a competition.
We're gonna have a
I will
competition.
sunburn.
We're gonna have a
I won't put sunscreen on.
We're all gonna be like,
Wow.
who's redder?
Wow, that's committed. That's committed right there.
No sunscreen, maybe.
No. Playing.
I found out what that.
We got
Enjoy more videos ahead. Up there at the beach. Making the dogs, right?
Hello.
Well, you guys can see more awesome things. Oh, we gotta have a good time. Hey guys, we are getting towards there.
Look at the island.
I know. Daddy, we gotta go on the island.
Him?
I guess you can swim that one.
Yeah, you can.
Is that cool?
That's an island. Speed limit is 65.
That bridge.
Oh yeah.
We own that island. We party on that island. That whole island. The longest timeline.
Around
One day. Yeah.
Everybody else here. More videos ahead, okay?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Crazy.
This is zoomed
We
out.
are
Here, right?
That's a
Oh my god. You are 100 years. God, look at that.
It's the South fishing here. Damn. Freaking crazy.
I wonder how hard you would hit that water.
Crazy.
A belly flop.
That's all the way up here. That was like, wow.
Look at that. Oh my god.
Nikki, oh, that's the hole in the ground. Right.
careful. You don't want to die on YouTube,
I
okay?
ain't gonna die.
Maybe.
Because my hair is flying in the wind is because I am so not going over there because, yeah, look at the beautiful view, man. And the dirty water is not part of the beautiful view.
It's not dirty.
Okay, the water that looks dirty. It's not.
It looks clear.
Well, like towards the rock, it kind of looks a little bit.
What is your definition?
What's that? What is that
Every
green thing
day.
right there? Do you see it?
What green thing?
You see it floating, right? Yeah.
It's either a leaf or a cracker.
Oh.
What? The green?
Because I've been wondering if it was seaweed.
No, it's a cracker.
Yeah, but we're having a freaking awesome time. Look at the cars here. Just amazing. You're just like relaxing and stuff. It's great. This is the greatest view I've ever seen in my life. I haven't been to the beach in so freaking long.
No. That's my
Weird.
camera. I'll throw my camera by accident. Okay, I'm gonna hop back.
You guys are hopping back. Hopping
Guys,
back.
hopping over the border.
Alright, everybody say hi. Hi. Como estas? Alright, we're gonna have more. Oh, that's awesome. More video when we go to the beach. We're almost at the beach. Look.
Building one, I think. What? You're building a house that looks like nature. No, that looks like a house that's already been built. It's a number of platforms.
More videos ahead, okay? Look. And now ending the dancing.
Ooh, we have to dance like really white people. Hold on. How do you dance like white people?
How do you
Hold
dance like
that.
a white person?
Holy nuts. That's hilarious.
Oh my god.
Just saw Brandon.
Raga! Raga! Raga!
Weaver.
Raga! I don't know this song.
At the beach. Having a blast. We're burying Brandon right now, and I'm next. Can't wait for that. All the awesomeness of the beach. Very, very awesome-rific.
Oh my god, Brandon! Come on, I'm like laying here.
Yo, I am covered in sand. Don't be arguing with me about being sand here.
Don't be arguing with me about who's in sand here, okay?
Hold on, don't get down on here.
Dude, this looks cool. Come here, come here. Stand right here. How far I got?
Of the person
So far.
gotta do that.
Hi.
All right, more when I get buried. Hey guys, they just buried me, and now we're standing, getting our.
Get in the water so
So you can what?
get the sand off.
I already got the sand off.
There?
Yeah. That's Yvette, Nicole. Look at me, man. Like seriously, we are wet completely. Ooh, nice feeling. Nice feeling. Look at that beautiful view. Well, maybe more videos later on. All right, guys. Bye. This is what we're doing here. Look at that sunset. So beautiful. So dark. Nicole, I'm recording you.
Are you?
Yeah. This place is so beautiful. We're at St. B, right, Nicole? St. Pete. St. Pete. And we're having an amazing time. What time is it?
It is 5:30.
It's 5:30 right now. Just showing you what we're looking at right now. The beautifulness of St. Pete. Look at that. Right there. Alright, more awesomeness on the way, okay? Hey guys, this is like towards the end of our awesome-rific day that we had. I'm wearing my shirt now because I don't want to get any more wet than I already am. I mean, you know, I'm not wet, I'm dry, but, you know, underneath it's just a little bit, and I have my toes. Anyway, we're going towards the end of the day. This is Nicole. Nicole?
Oh, guys.
Mimi? We had an amazing day. Nicole's going to have some video up, and I'm going to have, obviously, some video up, and I hope you guys like both of our videos. I'm going to have some on my main channel, Anime Lover, and Nicole's going to have, you know, some video from her flip camera. Oh, look, there's a pelican.
Oh, bitch.
Holy crap! Hey, hey, hey!
I don't think so. Holy shit!
Holy shit! Oh my god!
Holy shit! Get out!
I'm scared, Nicole! I'm so scared! This is not even funny. Oh my god, that is nuts! Oh my god, I'm getting away. Get away from us.
Let's see my birds.
Get away
That
from
was
us.
so funny.
That was hilarious. Oh my god, we almost got pooped on! Can you believe it? They love us too much. Hey, get away from us.
Yeah, birds is almost like crowding my face, man.
Look at this. Look at this. This is a nut job.
They're all over the place.
Oh, guys, now they're like they're gonna attack us if we don't.
For real.
That's the guy in the rowboat. Oh.
That bird right there is looking at me.
I can sit down and relax a little bit.
Oh, look at the sunset. I can't wait for the sunset. It's like a
Look, this is like a an army of birds. You know? They're like the leader is talking. The leader's talking. They're like attack the young girls.
Put like alcohol.
Well, you guys might see more videos, I don't know, but we had an amazing day. Look at the
nice.
Bye guys, thank you for not hurting
guys.
us. Thank you for not hurting us. Thank you for not hurting us. Pooping on us. Anyway, I'm gonna put some video of the sunset and maybe some more of us leaving the car. Holy crap. Holy nuts! If I get pooped on, holy crap! Oh my god! Holy crap! Get away from me!
Okay.
Get out of here! Oh god! Oh god! Get away!
Stop it.
Stop it! Mimi, stop! They're like surrounding us. Look.
Okay.
All right, stop! You guys need to stop feeding them. It's nuts. This is nuts. Holy! This is crazy. All right. We are safe here. This is nuts, guys! Oh my god, look!
Oh my god, that was scary.
I had a tip in my hand.
That was so...
Back up.
Ah! Oh my god, we almost got pooped on again, twice, double time. This is crazy.
People are like, what the hell's wrong with you guys? Eating the damn birds.
I had a tip in my hand. He's like,
Well, this has been an adventure in itself, man. An adventure in
awesome.
itself. Craziness. Just the birds were trying to attack us a minute ago.
They freaking attacked us.
The leader was like, "Get those girls! They have the chips!" And we're like, "No!" Look, they're trying to find new people that they can beat up.
oh my god.
Go try to find find the people in the red. I'd be like, ah! All right, leave us alone. Leave us alone. Anyway, well, I'm gonna put some more of the sunset, which is gonna be beautiful. I hope you guys like that. And
in the water.
the end of the birds attacking us, part 2 is over. So,
Taking a bath.
Because Mimi freaking fed the damn birds and they freaking attacked us.
He was so
oh,
funny.
poor birdie! Look at the bird.
Yeah, he's so cute.
He's so cute. Anyway, now I'm finally gonna go. All right. Hope you guys like this whole video, and we all had a blast, amazing day. And the night's gonna be even amazing. We're gonna sleep about this and just dream about it and go over it and record it and copy it and just be like, oh my God, an amazing day. Well, I hope you guys like this video and more ahead in the future, hopefully. Definitely in California, remember that. See you guys later, bye. YouTubers out there, towards the end of our awesome-rific day, we almost got pooped on twice by birds because she wanted to feed her and she wanted to feed him even though she told her not to do it. So
still fed
it's
him.
a bunch of hypocritical awesomeness and telling and not telling and being retarded because we love
Really
that.
retarded.
Really retarded. And we love to do it. And where are Brandon and Yvette and Angel? Well, they are just walking or someplace over there. You'll see them later on when we're driving back and we're just, you know, like calming down and we're driving back because I'm definitely gonna make some more video of that.
It's starting to rain.
Oh yeah, and it's starting to rain
No, it's
too.
not.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I feel it. Anyway, guys, I hope you love this video because I had an amazing day today, and I'm sure that these guys did too. Well, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.